What's up, what's up? Welcome to my vlog, panibagong review, panibagong video. This time, we're gonna go to a restaurant dito sa Norway dahil birthday ni Mudra. Yes, that's my mother. Birthday niya today. So, dun tayo kakain sa Egon restaurant. Let's try their food there in just a bit. Taste it now. Ang in-order sa akin ng kapatid ko ay beef steak. Yung sa kanya burger. Wala pa yung order ng kapatid ko kaya waiting pa siya. So let's try it. Look at this mga ka-broom. Mamula-mula. Reddish kasi medium rare yung pinili ko kaya ganun. So ito yung sauce niya, yung gravy niya or pepper sauce, pepper steak sauce, and then of course Tabasco. Hindi mawawala sa akin kapag kainan. Napakalambot.
Is this live?
Yeah, no, it's not live. It's for the vlog. It's for the vlog.
It's good, huh?
Yep.
Oh, yours is very rare. Yeah, medium rare.
Very rare.
Oh, I like it like that too, though.
And it's very soft, man.
Today I felt more like
Medium plus, I think that's pretty good too for me.
yeah.
As long as it's not too cooked.
Yeah, that's not too cooked. Oh, wait, well done.
Yeah, maybe. Sarap yung burger. So good. You wanna try?
Maliit lang kasi hindi ko gustong medium rare.
You want sauce? Try it, it's good. sabi?
No. No. They didn't put the salmon. They didn't add the salmon. So I said then we're not gonna pay for it because he'll be waiting. And then he said no, we don't want to pay. We need to pay because
One eternity later.
What's up? It's cake time.
Hey, you want to have a bigger family, Kati?
Yeah,
Straight like that.
that belongs to my father and my mother. Big family. Got it. Yeah. Yun, alam mo yun, sa video na nakakisan kami.
Oh, blow. Kunyari, magbo-blow ka. Blow.
Thank you. And for all the gifts. Dami naman ito.
Mag-isa doon, di mo nakita. Nakanta ka ni Philip mag-isa doon, di mo nakita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So yep, we are back home. It was the best experience. Ang feeling ko fine dining talaga siya. Yung place niya is, as you can see, medyo yung style niya is medyo madilim siya, medyo dim yung light. Tapos mga kandila lang. Kahit sa ibang branch ng Egon, napansin ko rin medyo madilim. Siguro ganun talaga style nila. Tapos yun, ang sarap ng mga food nila. Lalo na yung steak, the best, I would say. So yun lang naman. Again, happy birthday sa iyong mother. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Always travel, eat, and pray. That is all for today. You can try Egon restaurant at all the branches. You can just Google it. Goodbye.